Number 5. Dream about touching the untouchable. Wish to feel with your fingers the marvels of the universe. Recover forgotten sensations. Everything begins with a sensation. Rediscover the world of touch. Do you dare to experiment?
Hi, I'm Luis Castillo, founder and Chief Executive Officer at Neurodigital Technologies. We develop innovative hardware and software solutions for fun and serious games using virtual reality. We are very proud to present you Glove One, our AAA project. Amazing team, amazing technology, amazing possibilities. Glove One is a haptic feedback wireless device that lets you to feel and touch everything on your screen or through virtual reality headsets. It has been developed 100% in our lab since the reference design to the final prototype I'm really happy to wear. We love making technology accessible for everybody, and this is our dream kitchen. We provide Glove One, and you will make your ideas come true.
Number 4. Number 3.
Hello, this is Team Perception Neuron demo video for full body with full fingers. I'm using 13 neuron package so you can see my fingers motion like this, and also my left hand like this, and my full body motion. 13 neuron package for full body and both of my hands. What I'm using is a desktop for recording, and I'm using this Wi-Fi module to transmit all the data to the computer, and the recording FPS is 96 right now.
Number 2.
Meet Teleport, an entirely new way to capture and relive the best memories of your life through the power of virtual reality technology. To capture those special moments, simply plug the Teleport camera in your phone and start shooting instantly. It's that easy. Teleport camera has 2 lenses that work the same way our eyes see the world. It captures everything you see in 3D. To relive those memories you've captured, simply put the Teleport headset on. You'll feel as though you're actually there, and experience those unforgettable living memories again. So clearly that the same emotions you felt in the past are felt again. Memory is one of the most beautiful creations in life. It's one of those thin strings that hold you and the people you love together through the good and the bad times. Save your best memories, treasure them, and relive them.
Number 1.
Hi, I'm Kay. The first time when I put on Oculus Rift, I said, wow. Then I made a stupid movement. I stepped forward and hit my desk. Then I realized I need something to literally walk into virtual reality.
Catwalk is a new omnidirectional treadmill input device. The main problem Catwalk solves is to move within a small space in reality and achieve limitless and continuous movement in virtual reality. With its built-in and wearable sensors, you can literally walk, run, backwards, jump, crouch, and sit in the virtual world. Different games call for different movements. Catwalk allows you to switch actions anytime you want. You can even sit down to drive or fly when a game requires it. Key features.
Catwalk aims to allow users to walk freely through virtual worlds. Therefore, the constraint should be as low as possible. That's why we designed the independent open construction.
We started the project since 2013, and we have made quite a bit of prototypes. During developing and testing, we noticed that in many games, you want to perform different actions with your arms and legs. It was annoying and disappointing if these movements are constrained. And while in a virtual world, you can't see the real one. If there are devices near your arms and legs, you may hit something or get hurt. The creative Catwalk independent support structure and open construction sets your arms and legs free. First, it is very easy to get in. Without a ring or column surrounding you, you can move freely and securely without constraint or worry about hitting anything. You can swing your arms naturally or put your hands to rest down by your sides, getting closer to a natural walk posture. Catwalk has not just simply removed the column and the ring. Our unique design can limit the horizontal moving range and control the vertical movement function while walking and running. It can automatically provide 35 cm vertical moving range while jumping, crouching, and sitting. Meanwhile, it can help users move back to center to adjust the position offset while walking, which can increase the sense of balance and safety.
To achieve a natural walking feeling, we do not just simulate the human movement and position, but also simulate the actual forces and feelings of walking in real life.
When we walk in real life, friction is what propels us forward. Frictionless walking is awkward, like walking on ice, if you must pay attention to keep balance. Catwalk uses high-friction material surface and uses a constant force of rolling friction to simulate real walking forces and human motion. This makes you feel like you are walking on real ground instead of sliding walk. With normal friction, it is easier to keep balance, and it will decrease the time it takes anyone to learn to use Catwalk. Catwalk uses a lower cambered base to transfer potential energy to kinetic energy and to reproduce the movement locus. All of this is to achieve a more natural feeling of walking.
We got a little surprise for you, the swing chair. If you have already exhausted your game budget, you can write this one off as a decorating expense.
Seriously though, You can use it to enjoy relaxing virtual reality games or applications in a comfortable way. Just sit back and relax. Our software can transfer body motion to keyboard or gamepad. This means all the games with keyboard or gamepad support will be playable. We are also developing our own SDK and demo to achieve analog movement and independent walking and looking direction.
Cat VR is a company with great ideas. The hanging chair and free movement being two of my favorite. The experience of being able to wander through virtual worlds with your own 2 feet is something truly magical. Final word, I've tried it and I won't.
Omnidirectional treadmill is a very important input device for virtual reality, and it is also a very interesting research area. Catwalk is using a very unique way to do this, and I really cannot wait to get my hands on it and try to do some fancy stuff by using it.
As a developer, we usually avoid letting users move around freely. Conflicts between the visual and bodily sense easily cause simulator sickness. Now, with Catwalk, we can finally let them walk free. One small step for us, one big step for VR.
The prototype you see here is kind of big. This was made to prove our brand new solution. We already have all the plans to make it smaller and lighter. With your help, we can make it a real product and enter the manufacturing process.
Join us. Let's make this project to reality together.